Why choose our tutorials and live sessions? Learn what you need to succeed. Transform your life with hands-on learning. Master the skills you need to succeed. Whether you're starting a new journey, leveling up your skills, or exploring creative passions, Build and Create Solutions. Tutorials and live sessions will empower you to achieve your goals. Success doesn't just happen. It's built with the right tools, guidance, and dedication. Our tutorials and live sessions are more than just classes. They're stepping stones to success. Interactive learning. 85% of learners report greater satisfaction and confidence when participating in interactive sessions over passive instruction. Get expert advice and hands-on guidance in real time. Tailored content. We offer classes designed for every skill level, from beginners to pros. Practical takeaways. Leave each session with actionable skills you can apply immediately. Here you'll discover how to publish your own book step by step. 85% of authors say books boost credibility. 67% of readers support indie authors. 90% of readers dream of writing a book, and now you can. Unlock the power of AI tools for business and creativity. Master the art of branding and product customization. Create compelling content and graphics to elevate your projects, and so much more. Join us for engaging live sessions and tutorials that cover self-publishing. Learn how to turn your ideas into a published masterpiece. Content creation. Create visually stunning designs and professional ads. AI utilization. Harness AI to simplify tasks and boost productivity. Wellness and healing techniques. Discover self-care methods that help you thrive. Build confidence in your creative or professional journey. Turn your hobbies into income streams. Meet like-minded individuals in an inspiring, collaborative environment. This is for you if you're eager to learn new skills and thrive in a supportive community. You're a creative professional or entrepreneur looking to level up your game. You've ever felt stuck or unsure of where to start? Our sessions are your launchpad. Our classes are designed for people of all ages and backgrounds. Beginners, hobbyists, and seasoned professionals are all welcome.